If you want to control a population, do you think you go and you tell them exactly the truth? The main reason for the moon landing hoax is to perpetuate, to continue to propagandize with this spinning ball, Big Bang, evolution, cosmology that they've come up with.
All over the world, people show these epic pictures of the Earth from space with the moon over here and the sun over there and the planets. There's none.
I know, the thought of flat earth, it sounds ludicrous. But you've been misinformed since birth and you're new to this phenomenon, and I'ma spread the word. The media lies, it's controlled, it's absurd. Have you heard how this occurred? Admiral Byrd, the first man to fly past the South Pole, said it was astonishing this ongoing land, and the government took over, and here's what they planned. First they formed the treaty that was signed by all the nations. Antarctica off limits, except for Freemasons. They then formed the fake space program, NASA, with Walt Disney as they go, man. But now we know, man, it's all been a lie. Every single picture of Earth is fake CGI.
It is Photoshop, but it has to be.
They even admit it. Still think we landed on the moon, it's time to get with it. Trillions and trillions of tax dollars, what lit it? Plus they wanna hide God, another reason why they did it. The founder of NASA, evidence that he gave. The truth, it resides right there in his grave. A quote from the Bible about the firmament, with the sun, moon, and stars up in it and permanent. Gotta go with God, he spoke the earth into existence, with the sun and the moon at a much closer distance. The same size too, but you're taught a different tune. That the sun is 400 times bigger than the moon. God said the earth was a stationary plane. The Big Bang Theory's just a government claim. They've been fooling us all, we don't live on a ball. They want you thinking that this world came from nothing at all. Space is fake and they take away G-O-D. Space is fake and they take away your money. No proof to their truth, just theories. And we don't come from monkeys. Undesigned, divine, a sign, it's all meant for us. Research yourself, it's yourself you'll trust.
I'd go to the moon in a nanosecond. The problem is we don't have the technology to do that anymore.
Right now, we only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go.
At night, the craters, or the dark spots I like to call them, are black because it's in our sky and there's black sky behind it. If you look at the full moon during the day, those spots are now blue. Every picture we have from NASA of a planet is a artist rendering. They're not real pictures. If you take a strong telescope and look at a planet, it looks nothing like this. It looks like a self-illuminating light. It looks more like a star. They used to call planets wandering stars.
They tell you that space, it's an infinite vacuum there, but then it should be sucking up our atmosphere of air. Yeah, you could look up antimatter, just more proof that this is not chit-chatter. With Polaris, the fixed star above the North Pole. But how can that be from what we're taught, what we're told? That the sun is moving 500,000 miles per hour. We circle it, spin and chase